This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the cleanest audio possible. Use a screen recorder or an app that extracts audio from the video. Once done, trim to a 10-30-second segment where the music is most distinct. Make sure you mute notifications and other sounds before recording, and boost the clip volume slightly if it's faint. This step matters because recognition tools and humans need a clear sample, capture the hook or vocal line, not the ambience or dialogue. Next, run that clip through multiple recognition tools. Use Shazam or SoundHound first, then try built-in assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Different algorithms catch different fingerprints. If those fail, upload the audio to Music ID websites or community forums. Make sure the clip is under platform limits and labeled with context. Also listen for discernible lyrics and type exact phrases into search engines with quotes. Combining automated matches and human crowdsourcing raises your chances considerably. Finally, confirm the candidate's song by checking 2 or more sources. Match artist, lyrics, and timestamps to be sure. If nothing matches, perform noise reduction or re-record the segment at higher quality and try again. Sometimes pitch shifting or trimming silent lead-ins helps. When asking online, provide a short clip, the exact timestamp, instruments, and any words you hear. If a misidentification happens, report it and retry with a cleaner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.